It was in 2003 when we first launched our ECOLOGY hose range for sewer cleaning applications. In 2018, we launched an all-new version, relying now on a full aramid reinforcement, which made it much more compact. We start from a minimum of 175 bar or 2,500 psi up to 250 bar or 3,600 psi.
For the internal tube of our new ECOLOGY range, we decided to use polyethylene. This is because of the density of the material that gives to the final product a lower weight. So we keep the same type of adhesion that we had in the past.
The smaller band radius is really helpful for this application.
In fact, the sturdy structure of the hose is mostly required for the mechanical stress rather than the pressure.
The hose from transfer oil looks smooth inside each end. One hose is better here for the customer and for save the space on site. It's very important.
One characteristic of the ECOLOGY hoses is the high abrasion resistant cover.
The material used for the cover of all the ECOLOGY range is thermoplastic polyurethane. It's more resistant to marine environment and also more resistant to microbiological attack.
It's a special polyurethane.
The idea is to reduce the entire thickness of the product. Also, we use the open braid as a final reinforcement to allow the penetration of the polyurethane cover in between the braid to give to the final product a better abrasion resistance and also better adhesion.
But now we also added 1.5 inches, and I know we had to go through a number of challenges in production.
Major constraints we had was up to a few months ago the capacity of our reels. And this was a great job the engineering did in optimizing the design.
Also R&D worked on the design of the hoses in order to have longer length.
If we take the same vehicle and we keep it with a thermoplastic hose, you will immediately find the advantage that on the same reel you will be able to load longer length of hose because of the smaller and more compact diameter. The second advantage that we will immediately notice is the fact that being the hose much more lightweight, it will be able to travel a longer distance into the sewer. The third advantage is again linked to the lightweight because the hose will more likely float into the water when traveling through the sewer.
We also have a range of LT hoses or ECOLOGY, which are also used for cleaning domestic sewers or lateral cleaning, as they're called in the United States.
We got a project in steel factory, 700 meter. Customer need the water.
The longest one we produced up to now, I think, is 397 meters.
The hose inside the each end can't be split. It must be one hose.
We also introduced new technologies in our manufacturing process that allow us even to exceed the 400 meters length.
We have one project that the crane moves approx 1,000 meters.
Well, it's good to know that the hose won't be a limit in that case.
Yeah.